Life is busy. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to get swept away by the constant demands of work, family, and social obligations. It's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle. The noise, the rush, the never-ending to-do lists can be overwhelming. Remember to take time for yourself. Relaxation is important. It's not just about taking a break, it's about recharging your mind and body. It's not a luxury, it's a necessity. In the same way that we need food and water, our minds and bodies need moments of peace and tranquility. When you're relaxed, you feel better. Your mood improves, and you find joy in the little things. You become more present and engaged in your life. You think more clearly. You handle stress with ease. Your mind becomes a sanctuary of calm, allowing you to make better decisions and approach challenges with a clear head. Relaxation is essential for your well-being. It's like hitting the reset button. It allows you to step back, breathe, and gain a new perspective on life. Give your mind and body a break. Stress takes a toll on your health. Chronic stress can lead to a host of health problems, including heart disease, anxiety, and depression. Relaxation combats this. It lowers your blood pressure, it helps your heart rate slow down, and your muscles release tension. It boosts your immune system. Taking care of your mental health matters. When you are relaxed, your body can better fight off illnesses and recover from stress. It's as important as physical health. Just as you would exercise to keep your body fit, you need to practice relaxation techniques to keep your mind healthy. Find what relaxes you. It could be a hobby, a walk in nature, or simply sitting quietly with a cup of tea. Make it a regular part of your routine. Incorporate relaxation into your daily life. Even a few minutes a day can make a significant difference. It's about creating a balance that allows you to thrive. Mindfulness and meditation are powerful tools. They help you stay grounded and present, reducing anxiety and promoting a sense of inner peace. Engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Whether it's gardening, playing music, or spending time with loved ones, these moments are vital for your well-being. Prioritize relaxation. Make it a non-negotiable part of your life. Your health, happiness, and overall quality of life depend on it. Embrace the importance of relaxation. Allow yourself to unwind, recharge, and reconnect with what truly matters. Your mind and body will thank you. Deep breathing is a powerful tool. It's simple and effective. Breathe in slowly and deeply. Exhale slowly and completely. Feel the tension melt away. Mindfulness is about being present. Pay attention to the current moment. Let go of worries. Focus on your breath. Notice the sensations in your body. Close your eyes. Find a quiet space. Practice deep breathing. Even a few minutes can make a difference. Create a daily relaxation routine. This could include journaling. Journaling helps you process your thoughts and emotions, giving you clarity and peace of mind. Try stretching or meditation. Stretching can release physical tension, while meditation calms the mind and reduces stress. Both practices can be done in the comfort of your home or in a serene outdoor setting. Find what works best for you. Whether it's a quiet moment in nature or jotting down your thoughts in a park, stick to it as much as possible. Consistency is key to building a habit that supports your well-being. Identify your stress triggers. Understanding what causes you stress is the first step in managing it effectively. Is it work? Is it relationships? Pinpointing the exact sources of your stress can help you address them more directly. For instance, if work is a major stressor, consider ways to manage your workload better or communicate your needs to your employer. If relationships are causing stress, open and honest communication can often help resolve underlying issues. Once you know your triggers, you can manage them. Avoid them whenever possible. If you can't avoid them, find ways to cope. This might include taking regular breaks, practicing deep breathing exercises, or engaging in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. For example, meditating on a beach or walking calmly in a forest can help you reset and recharge. Have a plan to deal with them. Practice gratitude. Keeping a gratitude journal can shift your focus from what's stressing you to what's bringing you joy. Write down 3 things you're grateful for each day. This simple practice can have a profound impact on your overall mood and outlook on life. Focus on the good in your life. Appreciate the little things. Whether it's the beauty of a sunset, the fragrance of flowers, or the warmth of a loved one's smile, these small moments can bring immense joy. Gratitude shifts your perspective. It helps you see the positive aspects of your life, even when things are tough. It brings more joy into your life. By focusing on what you're grateful for, you invite more positivity and happiness into your daily experience. This practice not only improves your mental health but also enhances your overall quality of life. So, take a moment each day to reflect on the good and watch as your relaxed lifestyle unfolds. Spend time in nature. Nature has an incredible ability to calm our minds and rejuvenate our spirits. When you immerse yourself in the natural world, you can feel the stress and worries of daily life begin to melt away. The fresh air, the sounds of rustling leaves, and the sight of vibrant greenery can all contribute to a sense of peace and tranquility. Go for a walk in the park. Walking amidst nature not only provides physical exercise but also offers mental clarity. As you stroll through the park, take deep breaths and let the beauty of your surroundings fill your senses. Notice the colors of the flowers, the shapes of the leaves, and the gentle sway of the branches in the breeze. Listen to the birds singing. The melodious tunes of birds can be incredibly soothing. Close your eyes and focus on their songs. Each chirp and tweet can help you feel more connected to the world around you, grounding you in the present moment. Feel the sun on your skin. The warmth of the sun can be both comforting and invigorating. Let the sunlight wash over you, providing a natural source of vitamin D and boosting your mood. The gentle rays can help you feel more alive and present. Nature has a calming effect. Listen to soothing music. Combining the sounds of nature with calming music can enhance your relaxation experience. The gentle flow of a stream or the rustling of leaves can be the perfect backdrop for your favorite relaxing tunes. Create a playlist of calming tunes. Curate a selection of songs that bring you peace and joy. Whether it's classical music, ambient sounds, or your favorite slow melodies, having a go-to playlist can be a powerful tool for relaxation. Play it when you feel stressed. Music can be therapeutic. Whenever you feel overwhelmed or anxious, take a moment to listen to your calming playlist. Let the music guide you to a place of serenity and calm. It can help you center your thoughts and emotions. Let it soothe your soul. Relaxation is a journey. It's not a destination. Keep practicing. Be patient with yourself. Remember that relaxation is a skill that takes time to develop. Be kind to yourself as you explore different ways to unwind and de-stress. Each moment of calm you create is a step towards a more peaceful life. You deserve to feel relaxed and at peace. Embrace these moments of tranquility and make them a regular part of your routine. By prioritizing relaxation, you are investing in your overall well-being and happiness. You have the power to create a life filled with calm and contentment. Gap 3S. Explore advanced relaxation techniques. Try progressive muscle relaxation. Focus on each muscle group. Tense and then release. Notice the difference. Practice visualization. Imagine a peaceful place. Use all your senses. Feel the calmness. Guided imagery can help. Listen to a guided relaxation track. Follow along. Let your mind relax. These techniques can deepen your relaxation. Experiment and find what works best for you. Gap 3S. Incorporate relaxation into your daily routine. Take short breaks throughout the day. Stretch, breathe, and relax. Use relaxation apps. They can guide you. Set reminders to relax. Make relaxation a priority. Balance work and relaxation. Find a hobby you enjoy. Engage in relaxing activities. Read a book. Take a bath. Make time for yourself. Relaxation should be part of your lifestyle. It enhances your well-being. Keep practicing and stay relaxed. Gap 3S. Understand the science behind relaxation. Learn about the relaxation response. It's the opposite of the stress response. It calms your body and mind, reduces stress hormones, lowers heart rate and blood pressure, enhances immune function, promotes overall health. Practice relaxation techniques regularly. They activate the relaxation response. Make relaxation a habit. It's essential for your health. Stay informed and stay relaxed. Gap 3S. Discover tips and tricks for relaxation. Create a relaxing environment. Use calming colors and scents. Declutter your space. Make it a sanctuary. Practice relaxation techniques daily. Find what works for you. Stay consistent. Use relaxation tools. Try aromatherapy, listen to calming music, take care of your body, eat well, exercise and sleep. Stay hydrated. Relaxation is a holistic practice. It involves your mind, body, and environment. Keep exploring and stay relaxed.